In today's digital world, where generative AI is all in reach, operating a sophisticated and streamlined security operations center or SOC is at the core of maintaining digital integrity and security. Chronicle CyberShield enables governments to build an enhanced cyber threat intelligence capability. It protects web facing infrastructure from cyber attacks. It monitors and detects indicators of compromise, malware, and intrusions, and it also rapidly responds to cyber attacks to limit widespread impacts. In addition, the Chronicle Cyber Shield enables governments to raise threat and situational awareness. It also helps them build cybersecurity skills and capabilities and facilitate knowledge sharing and collaboration to raise the bar for security at a national level. As part of Chronicle Cyber Shields, governments can leverage cyber threat intelligence from Google and Mandiant, which is now part of Google Cloud, to build a scalable and centralized threat intelligence and analysis capability. This is integrated operationally into the government SOC to identify suspicious indicators and enrich the context for known vulnerabilities. Chronicle CyberShield also allows governments to build coordinated monitoring capability with Chronicle SIEM to simplify threat detection, investigation, and hunting with intelligence, speed, and scale of Google. You can also implement Chronicle across a network of SOCs, attack patterns, and correlated threat activity across multiple entities very easily. So, if you are in the government sector and looking to implement a foolproof cyber security or SOC for your Google Cloud or any other infrastructure, then maybe have a look at this Chronicle Cyber Shield, which is a really, really good addition. Thank you.